This video is divided into two parts. First one is sky glow in Kinemaster, and second is sky glow in Alight Motion. I will be showing one method for Kinemaster and two methods for Alight Motion. If you are using Kinemaster, then continue this video from here, and if you are using Alight Motion, skip to the second part of the video. I will provide timestamps in the description. To add sky glow effect in Kinemaster, make a new project and import your video. Now go to adjustments of that clip and increase the brightness a little bit and make the contrast full. Now increase the highlights to its maximum and decrease the shadows to its minimum. Then increase the lift a little bit to make sky look brighter and other objects darker. To darken the ground, add a black layer and adjust it below the sky as I am doing. After doing this, export the video. After exporting, delete all clips and import the exported clip. Now go to color filters and add B38 filter in basic. Now go to adjustments and increase the contrast and lift so that everything becomes black and sky becomes red. Now we have to apply Gaussian blur. To add Gaussian blur, go to Effect, and you can find it in Basic Effects. Then make it full screen and increase its strength. And then export this clip. After exporting, import the original clip and also import the exported clip, but as a layer. And then make the layer full screen. Now if you want to change the color of the glow, you can go to adjustments and you can change the color by changing the value of hue. Now go to blending and change the blending mode to screen. Now you can see that you get the sky glow so easily in Kinemaster. If you think that this glow is very light, you can always duplicate the glow layer to enhance it. To add sky glow effect in Alight Motion, make a new project and import your video. Add a rounded rectangle layer and make it bigger so it covers full screen and also increase its length. Click on rectangle layer and go to effects and add copy background effect in other tab. Now add exposure and gamma effect in color and light tab. Then make exposure full and gamma low. Now set the value of offset that only sky should be visible. Now add Gaussian blur effect in blur tab. And set its strength up to or more than 1. Now add hue shift effect in color and light tab. You can change the color of the glow by hue shift effect. Now go to blending and opacity and change the blending mode to linear dodge. Now you can add flicker effect if you want. As you can see that we got nice sky glow effect in Alight Motion so easily. To add sky glow effect in Alight Motion by another method, make a new project and import your video. Then add a rounded rectangle layer. And then add copy background effect as we did earlier. Now add threshold effect in color and light tab. Now set threshold value so that sky should be white and other things should be black. Now add Gaussian blur effect in blur tab. And set the blur value above 1.500. Now go to blending and opacity and change the blending mode to linear dodge. Now you cannot change color of the glow by hue shift effect in this method, but you can change the color of the glow by replace color effect. You can find replace color effect in color and light tab. After adding replace color effect, change the replace color from red to white and change the new color from blue to the color you want. Now make the threshold full in the replace color effect. Now you can add flicker effect if you want. As you can see, we can get nice sky glow effect in Alight Motion by two methods.